When it comes to choosing a dropshipping tool, the question often comes down to cost. Today, we're diving into Oberlo versus Modalyst to see which one is the more cost-effective solution. If you're just getting started with dropshipping or trying to optimize your business, stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a better alternative that you might want to consider, and yes, it could save you a lot of money. Let's start by looking at Oberlo. Oberlo, which is owned by Shopify, has long been a go-to choice for Shopify store owners. It's been a reliable tool, but here's where it gets tricky. Oberlo offers a free plan, which sounds great on paper. However, that free plan has limitations, especially when it comes to the number of products you can import and the features available. If you're planning to scale your business, you'll likely need to upgrade to the paid plans, which start at around $29.90 per month. For some, that's reasonable, especially if you're already on Shopify, but it's something to keep in mind as costs can add up. Next thing we need to consider is Modalyst. Modalyst has a lot of similar features to Oberlo, but the pricing structure is a little different. It offers a free plan, but again, like Oberlo, that comes with restrictions. The free plan lets you import up to 25 products, which is decent for testing, but you'll quickly find yourself needing to upgrade. The paid plans start at $35 per month, which is a bit higher than Oberlo's lowest tier. However, Modalyst also offers some additional features that you might not get with Oberlo, like more product options from US-based suppliers and faster shipping times. But again, that added convenience comes at a price. Now, let's look at some of the key differences in their offerings. The third thing to think about is product variety. Oberlo's catalog is vast, but its main focus is on suppliers from China, which means longer shipping times. If you're targeting customers who don't mind waiting, this might be fine for you. However, Modalyst has access to more US-based suppliers, meaning your shipping times are faster. So if your main concern is having quicker delivery to your customers, Modalyst might be a more appealing option. The fourth thing to consider is ease of use. Both Oberlo and Modalyst are designed to be user-friendly, especially for beginners, but Oberlo integrates directly into Shopify, making it a bit more seamless if you're using that platform. Modalyst, on the other hand, supports other platforms like BigCommerce and Wix, which is something to consider if you're not using Shopify. But again, if you're already on Shopify, Oberlo may feel like a more natural fit. Lastly, let's talk about the hidden costs. With both Oberlo and Modalyst, you'll need to factor in transaction fees, as well as the cost of additional apps you might need to run your business smoothly. Oberlo, for example, doesn't have as many advanced features as Modalyst on the lower tier plans, which might lead you to spend more on third-party apps to fill in those gaps. Modalyst has a more complete set of features, but as mentioned, it's priced higher. So, where does that leave us? Both Oberlo and Modalyst are solid tools, but neither are perfect if you're serious about growing your dropshipping business without breaking the bank. The truth is, there's an even better solution out there that offers better pricing and features for anyone looking to scale efficiently. After trying both Oberlo and Modalyst myself, I found that if you're really serious about dropshipping and want to get the most out of your budget, there's a far more cost-effective alternative. In fact, through the first link in the description, you can take advantage of a special free trial that'll give you exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out if you want to level up your dropshipping game without overspending. So, while Oberlo and Modalyst are both good choices depending on your needs, if you want a better, more cost-effective solution to build your dropshipping business, check out the link below. You won't regret it.